Is that just divine? Is that just divine?
Here, Dad. I gotta get over here.
Oh,
Can you say something like, ooh, this is divine?
it's orange. What is it, Carrie?
It's tomato and carrot
That's tomato.
with a little oatmeal mixed in. Yeah, she likes her food cold.
You like your food cold, do you? And am I not fast enough? Because you seem to be leaning cold.
I know.
In between.
I'm freezing.
Yes, that is quite divine. It does.
Our new neighbors sent
Yes,
me
it
their
does.
house. They're doing their rock looks like this. Mom, remember the neighbors?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like this.
Kind of looks like that.
Except for this is gray. It matches the roof. Matches the roof. They're doing their whole front of the house.
Corner?
Yeah, on the corner, a young couple.
They're doing their whole house in like this kind of rock, but it's
Tabitha, no hands in the mouth. You know the rules.
gray. And the rock is.
Yeah, hold Grandma B's hand instead. That's good.
Yes. Yes. Look
You
at
can't
that.
be fast enough for her, that's all I know.
Well, now she's kind of.
She is-
Oh.